Hey LevelUp fans, I'm Toby. I'm an English trainer. I specialise in film and music, and I've just been on a project week in Schmalkalden with an amazing class of kids. This project week was special largely because of the kids. This week we had 17-year-olds. We ranged from 8-year-olds to 17-year-olds, and they were amazing this week. I really enjoyed working with them. They were fantastic fun, really attentive, really interested in film, which is super helpful, and they did loads of projects outside of the film as well.
For me, it was the fact that I had an amazing group working on starting businesses, a startup academy, and the way that these guys identified problems in their lives, in their neighborhoods, or in their country, and they took these problems and they flourished into fully fledged, fully grown business ideas.
My surprise at the students, they were really eager. They were really, really eager to get involved. They said they hadn't done much acting in the past, but from what I saw, they looked like professionals. They were super, super interested, really energetic, ideas bouncing off the walls. They were fantastic.
Well, especially in my group, they definitely developed a whole lot of critical thinking. We did some analyses of other businesses to find out what we liked about the way other businesses are presenting themselves, how they're marketing themselves, the problems that they're solving. The way my students then took that and applied it to their own ideas, their own businesses. I think they would definitely have a much better idea now of what it takes to make a business in real life work.
Ooh, my favourite moment from the week might have been watching them all film their films. I was sort of walking around the school. I'd sent them out to do filmmaking, and some of them, when I'd walk in, it was like seeing a real film set. They were attaching lights to the ceiling. They were doing amazing camera shots that we talked about. They were really, really engaged and super interested in all the different ways of making films. Beyond English, so this was the first time that these students had made films. They'd never made films with their friends, so they told me they'd never really done much acting before. And the surprise was how competent they were and how eager and engaged they were. They were fantastic little filmmakers, so hopefully they go on to make many more.
Impossible products. You take two products, two items decided by the group. For example, we had toothpaste and hydrogen. And very quickly we ended up with a nuclear toothpaste.
What was the funniest moment?
The funniest moment. Ooh. My students and I played a game where two people are on all fours looking at each other and we moo at each other like cows. So we just go moo for as long as we can. And it really breaks down the sort of social awkwardness of acting because nothing's more awkward than being this close to someone mooing. And it was really good fun. My funniest moment was watching my students do that. The best part of being a trainer for me is fostering relationships with the students. So at the end of the week, I feel as though we're all friends. It's amazing. We all have big goodbyes and sometimes there's some sad faces in the room, and everyone hopes to stay in touch. This week, two students asked if we could be pen pals for longer, and we definitely will be via email.
I think it's the kind of the uniqueness that every project has. You never know what school you're going to walk into, what kids you're going to be faced with, what ideas they're going to bring to the table. In theory, I do the same thing most weeks, but in reality, I've never done the same thing twice.
A student who impressed me, Sebastian, I hope you're watching. You really impressed me last week. You were fantastic. Every time that certain students would need a translation, Sebastian was right there to help me. He was really eager, really friendly. He kept inviting me to do things with him outside of working hours. It was very sweet. He said, "Do you want to come have lunch with me?" Which we did. And he was, incredibly generous with his skills and his time. He was also one of the most able English speakers. I was really impressed with his English. Fantastic. And he was just overall a really generous and lovely student to work with.
I'll miss my group, I'll miss my students, I'll miss the work we were doing together, but at the same time I think that they're able to kind of take their ideas and continue to apply them to problems they see in their life, and so it's nice to know that that will still be happening.